Health officials in Bucks County are reporting a new measles case and warning people of possible exposure.
It's a rare breakthrough case as the person was vaccinated. Action News reporter Sharifa Jackson is live with us in the studio with more details. Good morning, Sharifa.
Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Tamia. Health officials are tracking this latest case. They say the infected person visited a Starbucks in Newtown. We know the person is an adult male and vaccinated against the virus. Experts say breakthrough cases are rare, pretty uncommon, but this case comes as measles numbers climb nationwide. Thursday, the doors to this Starbucks on South Eagle Road were locked, and the sign outside read, "We're closed due to facility issues." This is where officials with the Bucks County Health Department say an adult who tested positive for measles visited while contagious March 19th.
Starbucks was the only retail facility that he was at where we can't track who was there. Everywhere else we can track.
According to county health authorities, they say the adult male had recently traveled to Texas and was fully vaccinated against the measles. They're calling this a rare breakthrough case.
You'll have a mild case and you'll be less likely to spread it than someone who is unvaccinated.
Measles was considered widely eradicated in the United States because of the vaccine. Earlier this month, a case of measles was confirmed in an unvaccinated Montgomery County child. Health officials were also notified of a confirmed case of measles in a person who traveled from D.C. to New York City on Amtrak while contagious.
It's literally the most contagious virus that exists in public health. It's really easy to get.
We met people like Kelly Quinn.
I have school-age kids. I work in healthcare. I'm very concerned about the measles.
The rise in measles cases also has doctors very concerned, but they say it can easily be solved through vaccination.
It's starting to come back now because people are thinking that the vaccine is somehow worse than the disease. And I'd argue that the vaccine is not worse than the disease. Getting the disease, even in someone with a mild case, it can make you pretty uncomfortable. And if you're unlucky, it can have a pretty negative side effect.
Now, this is the first confirmed case of measles in a Bucks County resident since 2017. Now, if you were at that Starbucks between 10:50 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. on March 19, you may have been exposed. Customers are being told to monitor themselves for symptoms like a fever, headache, and most noticeably a rash that could appear anywhere between 10 and 14 days. Matt?
Yeah, so get the vaccine. Thanks, Sharifa.